Welcome to today's video. If you're just starting out in trading, these 5 strategies will give you a solid foundation to navigate the markets with confidence. Let's dive in. The first strategy is trend following. The idea is simple. The trend is your friend. You identify whether the market is moving up or down, and you trade in that direction. Use moving averages like the 50-day and 200-day to spot trends. When the 50 crosses above the 200, it's called a golden cross, a bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's a death cross, signaling a bearish trend. Strategy number 2 is support and resistance trading. Think of support as a floor where the price tends to bounce up, and resistance as a ceiling where it tends to fall back down. You buy near support levels and sell near resistance. The key is to wait for confirmation, don't just jump in because the price is near a level. Strategy 3 is not about when to enter, but how to protect yourself. Risk management is the most important skill in trading. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Always use stop losses. And maintain a risk-to-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2, meaning your potential profit should be double your potential loss. The fourth strategy is breakout trading. This involves identifying key price levels where the asset has been consolidating, and then entering when the price breaks out of that range with strong volume. Breakouts can lead to explosive moves, but beware of fake breakouts. Always confirm with volume and wait for the candle to close above the level. And finally, strategy 5 is reading candlestick patterns. Patterns like the doji, hammer, engulfing, and Morningstar can tell you a lot about market sentiment. A hammer at support signals a potential reversal. A bearish engulfing at resistance suggests the price may drop. Learn these patterns and combine them with the other strategies for powerful trading setups. Those are the 5 essential trading strategies every beginner needs to know. Remember, the key to success in trading is discipline, patience, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy trading!